everybody. How you guys going? Ole, miss me? I miss Olia. Today we are, well, we're kind of freestyling. We know what we're doing, but at the same time, we're making it up as we're going along. We have a lot of mangoes here, but that was going to help me name them, right? But we're not going to be making chow. We're going to be making our take on mango rice. Yes, and I see all your face scrub. Mango rice? All your faces straight up. Stop it right now. Don't knock it till you've tried it. I have never tried it. This is going to be my first time making it. But we tried it, he said, years ago. So we are, you know, depending on his memory to make this rice today. So think like a pilaf. You're going to have a little garlic, so you have a little heat in there, a little sweetness from the coconut milk, and then, well, the little tartness and texture from the mango. I don't know, honestly. I don't know this thing going I'm trying to see it, but I said, okay, cool. I am open to trying new things. So we're going to do that today. And it is kind of reminiscent of the famous or iconic Thai dessert, which is sticky mango sticky rice. But we're not making that. It's kind of reminiscent of that. That is more of a dessert side. But what we're going to be making today is more of a savory rice dish with sweet notes. Yeah, kind of tropical rice pilaf. Yeah, good. So we have some mangoes here. We have this one. This what?
The Bombay.
The Bombay.
Yeah.
Bombay. We have this one, and they're cold because they were in the fridge. So this is which one?
I think that is long, you know. Cutlass.
This is long. You show cutlass, not longer.
No, I like. Hold on. This one. I'm gonna tell you.
He researched it.
Yeah.
So you notice there is no Julie or starch on the scene. Let me just settle the score one time while the producer does his little research there. Between Julie and starch, starch is king. Don't come at me and tell me, Julie. No. Only go argue in the comments. I say starch is the best mango. Starch is the best mango. Hands down. For me, Julie just had name and style and flair. But a good starch mango, a good starch mango just hit the spot.
Indeed.
Right.
So the yellow one is the Ceylon.
I have never even heard about that. We're getting a class today, a mango class.
You didn't watch the video? You didn't watch the video. Could tell.
But when was that video though?
When it was? Just like 2 weeks ago. So no, you didn't watch the video. That's right. That is basically what you're saying there. What you're saying is that you did not watch the video. So that is a
Ceylon. I have it on watch later. I probably didn't get
you
to
want
it.
to watch it real later.
No, why are you getting
next year?
Why are you trying to embarrassment from the people? Oh, let us watch the videos. You know, he doesn't say when I watch it and like it as be the first man to share it. You don't say nothing.
I'll say thanks.
I will go and watch it on video. Yeah, so this one is what?
So that is a Ceylon.
Ceylon, okay.
Right. And actually, the reddish one, I told it was Bombay. I think that is Irwin.
Irwin? Who name all these mangoes anyway? Irwin, okay.
Right. The green ones, those green ones are the Bombay.
Oh, these are Bombay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna watch that video. Well, but you would think you will put a little lower third. Well, you'll put a little lower third for the people or a little link up here for them to go watch it, right?
Yes, I'll put it.
You put a little something.
Right. Yeah. So the big ones are the Graham. The green ones are the Bombay. The yellowish one is
the
Ceylon. And the reddish one is Irwin.
Irwin. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And for us to make the rice today, we are using the Graham.
Yeah. But if people want to know more about the mango types, definitely go and check out that video.
Like I would be doing right after this. All right, so we have the rice. We have very simple ingredients here, Olia. Rice, garlic. We have some cardamom, and we have some bay leaf powder. Let me tell you something. Isi Badawi, he made me appreciate bay leaf more because of his love for it. He is the original bay leaf influencer. I am telling you, nobody loves bay leaf more than him. If Badawi had a chance, he would put bay leaf in everything. And he's the only person that I've ever seen grind up or pulverize the bay leaf where you could use it as a powder, which is really ingenious if you ask me, right? So we have that. We're just going to be using a little tip of it because bay leaf, as you know, is very strong. To give us the creaminess, we have coconut milk. We had a little offline discussion or battle whether the powder is better than the actual milk form. I tend to think that the milk form is still a little bit more creamy and thicker. He says, no, it's just how you make the powder. So We have both. We'll decide which one we're going to use. And yeah, so we're going to get into it. So first things first, I am going to finely chop the garlic here. So I hope you guys are doing good. Let us know how you're doing. If you're enjoying the content, well, you better be enjoying the eatahfood content because that's why you're watching it in the first place. We are still trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. I'm sure we could get to there before the end of the year. Where are we at now? The last time I checked. Right. So we're almost there. Like and share, people. Who knows? He might do a giveaway at 100,000. Giveaway nothing.
Already giving away the content.
Giveaway nothing, William.
I know if a sponsor want to come on board and do some giveaway.
And do something, that would be nice. You know, so if there are any marketing reps listening, you know what to do. Reach out to us. We'll be happy to collaborate with you. So we're just going to put in some oil here now. And I'm just kind of eyeballing. So with our mango rice, you saw it somewhere or you?
I think the first time I had it, my father make it. My father's real experiment and thing. So
that's a real experiment.
Yeah,
okay.
Yes. I think my father make the mango rice. And it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was only, he does do some real weird experiments.
Yeah, I would consider that genuine.
Yeah, but it was decent.
It was decent enough. Okay.
Yeah. Pretty rice one time.
Yeah, pretty rice. Adding in the rice here now. We want to toast the rice just a little bit. So toast the rice. So we have 2 cups of rice, and to this we are going to add 2.5 cups of coconut milk. The tin actually had 2 cups exact, and then we just use a little bit of the powder to make up the 1/2 cup. Because we don't want the rice. I mean, I like a grainy rice, but for this one, we're going for kind of a moist rice. Yeah. And just judge this around a little bit.
What it? You want to what it around?
I've said this before, and you come at me. The word is judge. You judge it around. You judge. Who does you judge, right? I don't know how you spell it. How do you spell that, judge? Judge. G-J-U-D-G-E. The D is silent. Yeah, that's how I would spell it. So you judge it around like that. We're going to add some salt. Of course. I'm going to add in a little hot pepper, and then we will cover it and check on it in a few. So while that is doing, I will cut up the mango. So I picked the firmest one out of the, oh, nice one. It caught in nice. And if you're wondering why I'm reserving the skin, it is not to eat after, which you very well can. But Dawi said that you could actually make mango syrup. And when he told me that, I thought it was the traditional way, you will add the mango skin to water, let it boil, add sugar. He says, no, you just put sugar on it and leave it overnight. And the next day you have mango syrup. I want to experiment and try that for myself.
I should have do it beforehand so you
could see. Yeah. Well, maybe how you add it, you could
add it in.
You could add it in. You could add it in at the end.
Okay. I could go ahead and taste the mango too, because I never had Graham.
Oh. I thought you'd never ask. It's actually kind of close to Julie mango. Kind of close to Julie mango.
Flavor and texture?
Flavor, but not so much texture. The texture, a little more firmer. It have a slightly more sour kick. Which
kind of tart?
Yes, kind of tartish.
So close to like starch then?
Nah, not even nah. It don't have the creamy milkiness like starch. It's like a Julie, but more tart. and the flesh a little bit more firmer. So we can do little cubes.
Yeah, like cubes.
Cubes. Nice. I think what will make, well, I don't want to say make or break, but I think the choice in mango will really make a difference in how this dish will taste, you know, in terms of texture and flavor. Yummy.
Tart, Julie.
Boom! I know my flavors, y'all. I know my flavors.
Yeah, that's it.
Like a tart Julie mango.
And really nice too. And really nice. Better than a Julie.
Right. So I think we rice is yeah man, it there. It there. And with a lot of finesse, we're going to add in our mango. And I'm trying to use all of the chunky pieces. I mean, some of it might mush in there, which is fine, but we want the chunks. Scoop and fold over, because you don't want to break up the mango. Okay. And we are actually going to be pairing this with some beef ribs. Hello. That Badawi made a couple days ago, and he actually had remainder for me this time. Yeah, he doesn't normally have remainder. He's do it and cook it, then make my eye bun, and then when I come here have none. But today he has. So we're gonna pair the pair this rice with the beef short ribs, and I think it could be. I want to taste it. Mango rice oleo. Okay. I don't want to double dip. Oleo. How can I describe this? You're expecting it to taste like mango and rice. It is not tasting like mango and rice, because as the mango then kind of cook inside of there, it actually loses a little bit of its sweetness. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So it's not tasting like in your face, you're sucking a mango. It's not like that. It is more like a hint of mango. If I You need to have your father on this show, eh? Pops. Why does nothing go over season? It go being go over season 2. Yeah? I am baffled, I am flabbergasted, because I've never eaten warm mango before. So that is an interesting flavor. It actually take on it actually toned down the sweetness of the mango because it's warm. This is not possible. Let me go in again. Oleo, I'm not exaggerating. I really, all you need to try it. I'm hope I'm describing it well. Without making sense, like what I said. Yeah.
And then remember the graham too. It have that kind of tartness too.
So and then you get a little coconuttiness, so that sort of coat in your mouth, and then the texture of the rice, so not everything is mush. So you get a slight grainy softness of the rice, and then you get a little hint of the mango in between. You win. So could you imagine all this with the meaty, beefy short ribs? I wish I was in this kitchen today, but none for all of you. This is the perks of being EAF staff, okay? I get to eat all the food. Right, so the ribs here, so the bibs. So while that is heating up, we're gonna make ourselves a little quick smoothie with passion fruit, the rest of mango, and some ice. I mean, you could add coconut milk here if you want. I wasn't feeling for that. I wanted to add a little ginger, but we didn't have any. So the mango and the passion would go fine. Let's see. Cheers.
Thanks. Really nice.
Yummy. That combo. The saltiness of the beef with the subtle mango coconuttiness of the rice. Oh my god, this is good. This is really, really good. But that way you have to include this in guava season number 2, eh? And if you wonder what guava season is, it is Badawi's book on, it's a very small recipe book with essential recipes that are needed for a season like what we're going through now. Flour going up, everything going up. But that book will give you recipes that you could use with items that are in your home. You don't have to go out and run and buy anything expensive. Really, really good book. It's on the eatahfood website. Check it out. We'll probably put a link for you to download it. It's an ebook. It is absolutely free. Free, free, free. So there's no reason why for you not to download it, right? This mango rice recipe is not in that edition, but I'm sure in the second edition it would be. And hey, just allow me now. Anything else you want to add before we close? Nothing else? So thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Out!